Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am from Mitson Learn and today I'll be sharing my experience with the Master Successful Selling course on Udemy. This course is designed to help anyone looking to improve their selling skills, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional. The goal is to provide you with the knowledge and strategies you need to become a master at selling and achieve your sales goals. If you're in any of the following situations, this course is definitely for you. You're a salesperson or entrepreneur who wants to improve your closing rate and build better relationships with clients. You're new to sales and want to learn the fundamentals of selling, including how to build trust and handle objections. You want to learn how to use storytelling and other techniques to make your sales pitches more engaging and persuasive. This course covers a wide range of topics, including the psychology of selling, understanding how people make buying decisions and how to influence them. The importance of storytelling in selling. How to use stories to engage your audience and make your pitches more memorable. How to build trust and establish rapport with clients. Strategies for building strong relationships that lead to sales. Handling objections. Techniques for addressing concerns and doubts that may arise during the sales process. How to negotiate and close deals. Tips for getting to yes and sealing the deal. I really enjoyed this course and found it to be very informative and engaging. The instructor was knowledgeable and provided lots of real-world examples and exercises to help us practice what we were learning. The course content was well organized and easy to follow, and I liked how the instructor emphasized the importance of storytelling in selling. I also found the section on handling objections to be particularly useful, as it provided me with new ways to address concerns and doubts that may come up in my sales pitches. If you're looking to improve your selling skills and achieve your sales goals, I highly recommend checking out the Master Successful Selling course on Udemy. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you're sure to gain valuable insights and strategies that will help you become a master at selling. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this review helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and until next time, happy learning.